Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make iced chamomile tea. Steep 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile or 2 tea bags in 1 quart of hot water for 5 minutes, then strain. Sweeten with honey or simple syrup while warm, then chill quickly with an ice bath or refrigerate until cold. Serve over fresh ice and garnish with lemon or mint for brightness and aroma. When steeping chamomile, use water just off the boil to extract gentle floral notes without bitterness. Measure 2 tablespoons per quart as a starting point and taste after 5 minutes to avoid overextraction. If you prefer a stronger infusion, add a half tablespoon at a time, and if it feels too strong, dilute with chilled water or add ice. Fresh herbs and proper timing make a cleaner iced tea. After straining, cool the tea quickly by placing the container in an ice bath or adding ice directly to chill it fast without losing aroma. Transfer the cooled tea to a pitcher and top with fresh ice when serving to preserve clarity and taste. Consider slicing lemon, adding mint sprigs, or a splash of peach syrup for seasonal flavor. Serve in tall glasses for a pleasing, refreshing presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.